Okay, sorry. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ava. So today I am back with another video, and so today I'm going to be doing a prank on my dad. So I'm doing a prank on my dad today. So the prank that I'm doing is, Dad, when I blew my nose, blood came out. So what I'm gonna have here to do that is, of course, some toilet paper. We didn't have tissue because my freaking little sister, I already kind of got some on it, some of the paint. Dear. So this is the paint that I'm going to be using. And so actually, guys, it's actually like a really close color to blood. Like, look at this. Look at that. Oh my gosh, like, no way. So, first I'm going to need to use my lead pencil. So hold on, I will be right back. Guys, so I got my lead pencil here. Now I'm just going to kind of like squeeze some up, and now I'm just going to kind of have some drip down. Just like that. And now I just need to like smear it. So first off, there's sorry. Hold on, you guys. I will actually be right back when I'm done. So. Okay, so this is it, guys. So this is the tissue. And then I kind of put some on the desk to make it look realistic. And I just like threw the pencil back there. I don't know if y'all can see it. It's right there. Good, okay. Let's go do it. So first what we're going to have to do is like, so, okay. Can you come here?
You can do this. And I basically said, how can I say no?
The Attorney General, Janet Reno, has been a Republican lawyer to be what everybody will surely call the Whitewater Special Counsel.
I would certainly expect that before this investigation is over, that I would question both the President and the First Lady, and it would be under oath.
That's from your
I
nose?
have jurisdiction to investigate anything relating to the President and Mrs. Clinton's relationship with Whitewater and Vince Foster.
That's not blood.
When we started.
No, it's not. I am not dumb.
So I said we just have to put all that aside. We're just going to
It's
do
so
our
hard
jobs and
pranking
move
you.
on.
I had a camera. Look, there's my phone.
1994.
Guys, so obviously that prank was a fail, but later on, maybe I'll try it on my grandma. Maybe she'll fall for it, but like the thing that got my dad off is like, I guess it like, because like it was probably like, it was like that smell of the paint, like, so yeah, but
Wow.
yeah, because like it would like splatter, he said. Well, that was it for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to leave a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel and turn on that post notification bell to become a part of the notification squad. But you guys, I'm going to start doing this new game. So before we go, so I want to do a like button challenge. So it's basically it's just a like button challenge. So you guys have to try to press the like button with your big toe, just like, okay, so yeah, and if you did, make sure to just comment I did it.